All right.
Please be seated.
We're here inside courtroom.
Okay. This is the 2 p.m. initial appearance calendar for August 23rd, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were read on the first calendar of August will apply to all matters on this calendar. As you heard in the recording, this is a very specific type of hearing. I'll be telling you why you're here today and if an attorney will be appointed for you. I'll also tell you where and when your next hearing will be. If you are eligible for release today, I will let you know what your release conditions are, including any bond and what type it is. Please remember, these are all criminal matters, so you have the right to remain silent. I will only ask you for your name and your date of birth. I will also maybe point out 1 or 2 release conditions to you that are specific to your case, but it is your duty or your responsibility to read the paperwork. All the release conditions that are listed do apply to you. Okay. I'll call one person in to stand here at the podium. I'll say the second person's name to sit in the chair right there by the door, and that way we can move quickly. Okay.
We have an ER run going out, Your Honor.
A what?
We have an ER run going out, and it's one of the inmates that is on the docket.
I was told. Yeah, we moved her to the bottom for right now.
It's going out.
She'll be gone. Okay. All right.
I was told that they're not sure when the ambulance will be here, but if it needs to be a telephonic, we'll get that contacted.
Sounds good. Okay. Thank you for the update.
Hopefully she'll be here after court, and you can go see her. So.
Right. Okay. We'll start today with Gabriel Rodriguez and then Alicia Gutierrez. Please have a seat in the chair. So Gabriel Rodriguez, please come inside to this podium. Alicia Gutierrez, have a seat by the door. Please state your name and date of birth.
Gabriel Rodriguez, May 1st, 2000.
May 1st, 2000, is that correct? Okay, thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court probation violation warrant. It was alleged that you violated your probation terms 3 and 5. On the warrant, it was requested that you be held no bond, and that is appropriate under Arizona Criminal Rules of Procedure 7.2C. An attorney has been appointed to assist you at your next hearing, which is a probation revocation arraignment. That will be downtown Phoenix on August 29th at 8:30 in the morning. All of this information is on your paperwork. Go ahead and pick that up and have a seat.
Go ahead and have a seat and walk for us.
Alicia Gutierrez, please come to the podium. Eric Todd, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Alicia Gutierrez, 0613-1987.
Thank you, and I apologize, I misstated your name.
Oh, that's okay, that's fine.
So you're here today on a new case. It was alleged that you committed criminal trespassing, which is a Class 6 felony. Also, assault and disorderly conduct, which are misdemeanors. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you.
Okay.
Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on August 28th, and that's at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond available for you at $10,000. If you make that bond, you'll be released to pretrial supervision. You are not to have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. I understand you may be neighbors, and so I have included that you may return to your own residence, but you are not to approach the alleged victim's living area.
We're not neighbors.
You're not neighbors.
No,
okay, then
we
you
used to
can
be.
disregard that part of the order. All the rest is printed out for you. If you're not able to make the bond, you will be transported to the hearing. All of this is on your paperwork. Go ahead and have a seat. Eric Todd, please come to the podium. Rebecca Cisneros, have a seat by the door.
Good morning. Oh, good
Please say
afternoon.
your name and date of birth.
Eric Stacy Todd, 3/15/1995.
Thank you. And it's 2 o'clock, so I know it's hard. You're here today for an out-of-county warrant. It looks like the Tombstone Marshal's office they want you back. So there will be an attorney appointed for you at your next hearing. It will take place in Bisbee Justice Court, August 27th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond available to you at $10,000. If you make that bond, make sure you go to your hearing. If you don't, they will issue more warrants. If you do not make the bond, you will be held in custody until then and transported to your hearing. Okay, it's all in your paperwork. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Rebecca Cisneros, please come to the podium. Ammon Shanabla, have a seat by the door.
Hi,
Please say your name and date of birth.
Rebecca Cisneros, 2/17/63.
Thank you. You're here today on a new case. There was allegations that you committed aggravated assault, which caused temporary disfigurement. This is a Class 4 felony. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is at the Superior Court, downtown Phoenix, August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond available for you at $5,000. If you make that bond, you will be released to pretrial supervision. There are no contact orders included in your paperwork. Make sure you read through them. Now, are you neighbors with the person?
No.
You're also not. Okay, don't tell me about the facts of your case because this is being recorded and broadcast, but you can just ignore the bottom line then. It was a special order that would have allowed you to return if you had been neighbors so you could live in your own residence. If it doesn't apply, that is okay. All right, if you cannot make the bond, you will be transported to the hearing. This is all on your paperwork. Go ahead and pick that up and have a seat.
Have a seat where you were.
Amin Shauna Blay, please come to the podium. Mitchell McDonald, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Amin Shanable, June 7, 2000.
Thank you, and I apologize for not saying your name correctly.
That's all right.
You're here today on a new justice court case. It was alleged that you were driving recklessly and exceeding the posted speed limit by more than 20 miles per hour. These are both misdemeanors, so this court cannot appoint an attorney to represent you in the matter. However, this court is going to set bond, so there will be an attorney appointed to assist you in the matter of bond only. Your next hearing is at University Lakes Justice Court. It is August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $5,000. If you make that bond, be sure to go to your hearing. I've also included their phone number for you so you can be prepared for the hearing with whatever you may need to bring along so that the hearing can take place. If you do not make the bond, you will be transported to the hearing. All of this is on your paperwork. Go ahead and have a seat. Mitchell McDonald, please come to the podium. Aaron Alicia, please have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Mitchell McDonald, 10/14/02.
Thank you. You're here today on a new case. It was alleged you committed criminal trespass, which is a Class 6 felony, assault, and disorderly conduct, which are misdemeanors. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. There is a hearing for you downtown Phoenix, August 28th at 8:30 in the morning, and a secured appearance bond is set for you at $5,000. If you make that bond, you'll be released to pretrial supervision. And there are no contact orders. I'm sure you heard me telling the other two people that if they are not your neighbor, just ignore that bottom line. That was a court order enabled to allow you to return. So if that does not apply, you may disregard that. Okay, everything else is on your paperwork. Go ahead and pick that up and have
I have
it.
a question. A secure bond, what does that mean?
So as it said in the recording, there is cash and secured. You can use a bail bondsman for secured.
Okay.
Okay, please have a
Thank you,
seat.
ma'am.
Aaron, Alicia, please come to the podium. James Howard, have a seat by the door.
Hello, again.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Aaron Seth Alicea, and 9/26/2003.
Thank you. You're here on a new case where it was alleged you committed unlawful flight from law enforcement, which is a Class 4 felony, and then driving under the influence and reckless driving, which are misdemeanors. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing will be August 28th at 8:30 in the morning downtown Phoenix. There is a secured appearance bond available for you at $5,000. If you make that bond, you will be released to pretrial supervision, and that includes random drug and illegal drug and alcohol testing between now and your hearing date. This is an opportunity for you to prove to the next judge that you can be sober. If you do not make the bond, you will be held in custody until their next hearing and transported there. Okay, it's on your paperwork. Please have a seat. James Howard, please come to the podium. Roman Gurule, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
James Howard, 10/13/75.
Thank you. You're here on a probation violation warrant. It was alleged that you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. So an attorney has been appointed to assist you at a probation revocation hearing. That will take place August 29th at 8:30 in the morning downtown Phoenix. There is a secured appearance bond available to you at $750. If you make that bond, make sure to go to your hearing and call your probation officer when you are released within 72 hours. If you are not able to make that bond, you will stay in custody and they will transport you to that hearing. The next judge can change all of these orders.
Okay.
All of this is on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
What is the charge? Trespassing?
No, this is a probation violation, term 3 and 5.
What is that?
Usually, and I'll double check for you, they are not contacting your probation officer and not living at the right place. Yes, that's exactly it. You did not report as directed on 5/13, 6/11. You failed to report to your PO within 72 hours from release of incarceration. Also, they say and these are allegations that you can talk about with your attorney and the next judge, whereabouts unknown since May 13. So that is the issue that you need to clear up at that next hearing.
All right.
Okay, please have a seat. Thank you. Roman Guruli, please come to the podium. Norbert Magretta, have a seat by the door.
Yes, sir.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Roman James Gruel, 11/26/70.
Thank you, and I apologize for mispronouncing. You're here today on two matters. The first one is a justice court warrant regarding driving with a license that was suspended, revoked, or canceled. So you have a hearing coming up at the West Mesa Justice Court, August 27th at 8:30 in the morning. On this one, I did set a placeholder bond of $50, and so counsel was appointed to assist you in case you're not able to make that bond. The reason I did that is because of your second matter. Your second matter here today is failing to appear. You did not go to a status conference that was held on April 14th in 2025. So because of that failure to appear, you already have an attorney in that case. Your next hearing will be August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. They requested on their warrant, and this court will affirm, a $500 bond. So that's why you have the two bonds.
I thought the case was dismissed.
It was not, sir. So I did go back and I looked in the docket to see, if there was maybe a motion to quash or something else.
Yeah.
There is not. It is an active case that you did not go to. So make sure you keep your paperwork. All the information will be on your paperwork when you go to those hearings, because they are two different places, two different dates.
And you said the driving on a suspended license is on what date?
Right. So it's on your paperwork, but it's August 27th in West Mesa. And then your other case is August 28th, downtown Phoenix. So one day and then the next day. You will have attorneys at both of these to assist you. I would take advantage of that, sir. Go ahead and call them ahead of time. Their number is on your paperwork.
All right.
Okay. Please have a seat. Norbert Margretta, please come to the podium. Marissa Fabig, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Norbert Magretta, 5/4/1963.
Thank you. You're here today on an out-of-county warrant. There's allegations of aggravated driving under the influence, Class 4 felony, and open container, which is a misdemeanor. You will have an attorney appointed for you at your next hearing, and that will be in the, and I always say this wrong, Gila County Superior Court, Gila.
Okay, and Payson?
Okay. So that's on August 27th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond set for you in this case at $250.
Okay.
If you can make that bond, make sure to go to your hearing and get this sorted out. They will keep issuing warrants for you if you don't appear.
Okay, I appeared at court and they told me that they had no charges filed and sent me home. And they gave me a piece of paper saying that.
You do? You have a piece of paper saying that?
I do not have it with me, but yeah, I do have a paper that says.
Okay. At the moment, that warrant is still active.
Okay.
So take care of that warrant, and then if I were you, I would keep that paper on you, like in your wallet. So
Right.
if you ever get pulled over again for this or brought up for this, you can show them the court's orders if it was dismissed.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Please have a seat.
All right. I do have.
Marissa Fabig, please come to the podium, and then Christian Valdovinos, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Marissa Fabig, 4/26/94.
Thank you. You're here on a new case. It was alleged you had dangerous drugs in your possession, which is a Class 4 felony, narcotic drugs in your possession, which is a Class 4 felony, and drug paraphernalia, which is a Class 6 felony. An attorney has been appointed for you for your next hearing, September 8th at 8:30 in the morning. This court is going to release you under supervised release, which means you'll get an envelope and some paper. Use those resources in the envelope to help you get to that hearing. Don't miss it. They may issue a warrant for your arrest if you do. Okay, now ma'am, you have a question?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
All
Thank
right,
you.
please have a seat. Christian Valdovinos, please come to the podium. Aiden Sanchez, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Cristian Valdovinos, 03/29/2002.
Thank you. You are here today on a new justice court case. There's allegations that you were driving under the influence and that you resisted arrest. An attorney has been appointed to assist you. Your next hearing is at the Country Meadows Justice Court. Based on your lack of criminal history and no prior DUIs, this court is going to release you under pretrial services. They will give you random testing between now and your next hearing so that you can prove to the next judge that you can stay sober. So again, your next hearing is Country Meadows Justice Court, September 11th at 8:30. I've also provided their phone number for you.
Okay.
Call ahead and be prepared, know where to go, when to go, what to bring, so that you can get this taken care of. If you fail to appear, they will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Okay.
Okay, this is all in your paperwork. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Aiden Sanchez, please come to the podium. And then Randy Palacios Morales, have a seat by the door. Is there an Aiden? Okay. Please say your name and date of birth.
Alan Sanchez, 93/84.
Thank you. You're here today on two matters. One is a new Superior Court case where it was alleged that you had dangerous drugs in your possession, which is a Class 4 felony, and then drug paraphernalia, which is a Class 6 felony. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing on these new allegations is September 8th at 8:30 in the morning. This court is going to release you today on your promise to go to that next hearing, and you will be supervised by your probation officer. Your other matter today is what they call a Term 1 violation. So because you are on probation, you're not allowed to have any new alleged criminal activity. That's a violation of your probation. So that's your other matter. So you will have an attorney appointed to assist you. Your probation revocation hearing is August 29th at 8:30 in the morning. So that is before your other hearing. So make sure you go to both. Your probation hearing first, and then your new hearing on the new charges. Okay? You are going to be released today in a few hours on your promise, on your own recognizance to go to those hearings. You are supervised by your probation officer. So make sure you call them right away when you are released. Let them know what's going on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Randy Palacios Morales, please come to the podium. If he's available, yeah. I'm not sure where he is. But we'll see him, yeah. Please say your name and date of birth.
Randy Palacios Morales, May 17, 2005.
Thank you. You're here today on a new justice court case. It is alleged that you were driving recklessly and exceeded the posted speed limit by more than 20 miles per hour. These are both misdemeanors, so this court cannot appoint counsel for you, but you can hire an attorney or you can represent yourself. Your next hearing is at El Centro Justice Court, September 11th at 8:30 in the morning. You will be released today on your promise to go to that hearing, but I do want to let you know they did put in the law enforcement report, because you were driving at 104 miles per hour, they did impound your vehicle and it will be impounded for 20 days. So just so you know, that's what's happened, and there's no orders that I can give. But the next judge can change those orders. So that would be a really good reason to go to that hearing.
Okay, so
Okay.
with the next judge, I could ask them to reduce the
They may be able to help you with getting your car back,
Okay.
but I cannot.
Okay.
So I just want to let you know that right up front.
Okay.
Okay. All this information's on your paperwork, including the phone number to El Centro Justice Court. Call ahead and be prepared so that you bring what you need for that hearing and get this taken care of. If you fail to go to that hearing, they will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Okay.
Okay. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
And then Devin Jones, please come to the podium. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Are you in custody on another matter?
Yes, I'm in custody.
You are in custody on, do you know what you're in custody for?
I don't, honestly, I was asleep inside my vehicle and I woke up to them taking my seatbelt off me, putting me in handcuffs.
Was that on August 14th or thereabout?
Yes,
Okay, and you've just been here since then?
since then.
Have you been to other courtrooms besides this one?
I've been to court yesterday.
Okay.
And it was about, a crime that I committed a long time ago.
Okay, so you got to go to court to talk about a different case. Did they say they were going to hold you on bond or anything in that one?
No, I was OR'd.
You were OR'd.
I was OR'd.
Perfect. So I did some research in the case from the 14th when you were picked up and brought here.
Okay.
And the commissioner that day found that there was not probable cause
Okay.
and was going to release you, OR. And I do not know why they kept you, and that's why I was asking you
Right.
these questions.
Right.
So it sounds like you had a hearing that you had to go to, so you've done that now.
I've done that, yeah.
So on these two cases, because these are called Term 1 violations of probation, that means that if you have new alleged criminal activity, you violated your probation cases.
Right. So I did not violate.
You didn't violate.
Correct.
So I am releasing you today. It's not even called OR. It's because there's no probable cause to hold you.
Okay.
You do have a hearing, though.
Yes.
Right? There's always a hearing.
Yeah.
So you have an attorney appointed to assist you. Their phone number will be on your paperwork. And your next hearing is August 29th at 8:30 in the morning. And that's
Okay.
one of those probation hearings.
Okay.
Definitely call your probation officer. It's not a court order because I can't give you any orders because
Right.
it's, you know, you're not supposed to be here.
Right.
So call your PO, tell them what's going on, tell them what happened, and make sure you go to your hearing so they don't issue a new warrant that
right.
is valid,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, and I hope that your other case all got taken care of and there's nothing else keeping you here.
Correct.
I looked through and I couldn't find it. That's why I asked you, because I'm like, why are you here?
Right.
Okay.
So I'm being released today, right?
It is my understanding there is nothing else keeping you here.
Correct.
And from what I saw, you should be released today.
Okay.
Go to those hearings and call your probation officer
I am.
and get this sorted out.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, have a seat, please.
Okay, yeah, it sounds like they're leaving, plumbing. Yeah. To the hospital.
Oh, they're gonna go?
No, that's fine.
Okay, so we will not do that one.
Yes, so I instructed the officer to get, information, so that we can do a telephonic, I can move it to your 5.
Please, yeah, let's move her to the 5.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's move her to the 5, there's no need to rush.
Okay.
Okay. So that means we only have, Mr. Carlos Parra that we'll be seeing in the back of the house. He is not able to come out. I believe there was a note, unsafe for us and him. He has 2 matters. The first one is an arrest warrant where it is, that's right. He failed to appear at his sentencing. He has already signed his plea agreement on August 5th, and then he did not show up. So he has an attorney in his case. His next hearing will be September 2nd at 8:30 in the morning. On both of these matters, he has a secured appearance bond of $2,500, and they are both the same, September 2nd, 8:30 in the morning, and they are both to do his sentencing that he did not show up for. It is not my intention to return to this recording. Ms. Nicole Fleming will be moved to the 5 p.m. calendar. So if there are any changes to Mr. Parra's orders, they will be reflected on the written document. And the 2 p.m. calendar is now recessed to 5 p.m. All right. Please be seated. This is the 5 p.m. initial appearance calendar for August 23rd, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were read on the first calendar of August apply to all matters on this calendar. As you heard in the introduction recording, this hearing is for a very specific purpose. I will tell you why you are here, if an attorney will be appointed to assist you, when and where your next hearings will be, and if you are eligible for release, what those release conditions will be. These are all criminal matters, so that means you have the right to remain silent. The only thing I will ask from you is your name and your date of birth. There are release conditions for some of you. They are printed out on your paperwork. If there is something very specific to your matter, I will point that out to you, but otherwise it is your responsibility to read your paperwork and follow those court orders. I'll call the first person to come and stand in the center of the room behind the podium, and then the second person, if they could have a seat by the door, that way we can move swiftly. Mr. Maddox Ezel, please come to the podium, and then Kieri Purchase, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Maddox Ezel, December 10, 1999.
Thank you. You're here today on a new case. There are one count of aggravated assault and impeding breathing, which is a Class 3 felony, a kidnap, Class 4 felony, aggravated assault which violated a protective order, Class 4 felony, unlawful imprisonment, Class 6 felony, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, assault, and then preventing a telephone for emergency assistance. Those are all misdemeanors.
Okay.
So this court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you at your next hearing. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a cash-only appearance bond set for you at $50,000. If you are able to make that bond, you will be released under pretrial services with an electronic monitoring device. You are not to return to the scene of the alleged incident or have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. I understand that may be your residence, and so if you are able to be released, you will have one civil standby available. What that means is law enforcement may go with you one time to retrieve essential belongings between now and your next hearing date. So that would be things like your medication, very essential belongings. Okay, if you are not able to make the bond, you will stay in custody until your hearing. The next judge can change all of these orders. All this information is on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Kiera Purchase, please come to the podium. Christian Larson, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Kiera Purchase, 11083.
Thank you, sir, and I apologize.
It's okay.
You're here on a new case. There's allegations that you committed aggravated assault, which is a Class 4 felony, and criminal damage, which is a misdemeanor. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a cash-only appearance bond available to you at $50,000.
$50,000?
Yes, sir. If you are able to make that bond, then you will have electronic monitoring when you are released. So you do have no contact orders included. Make sure you read through them. And I do understand that also might be your residence.
Yes, not to
Okay.
mention, the police charged me. Me and my girl wasn't fighting or nothing.
Okay,
Neighbors called on us.
right. So those are information that you'll want to give your attorney as well as the next judge when you go to that hearing. And if you need to, if you're able to make bail, you also have that order about going back one time. If you don't need it, it's just right there on your order, just in case.
If I can't go to work, I can't make bail.
Okay,
I was supposed to be at work this morning. That's what we was arguing for.
okay. So those are your release conditions. Please read your document and have a seat. Thank you. Christian Larson, please come to the podium. Joseph Thornton, have a seat by the door. One moment, please. Okay, please say your name and date of birth.
Christian Michael Larson, April 26, 1990.
Thank you. You're here today on a new case. There's allegations of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, which is a Class 3 felony, and then disorderly conduct or fighting, which is a misdemeanor. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a cash-only appearance bond available for you at $25,000. If you make that bond, you'll be released under pretrial supervision. There are no contact orders included, so no contact with the alleged victim, witness, or complainant. Also, you may return to your own residence, but you are not to approach the alleged victim's living area or to linger or loiter in common areas. So that is an order that's allowed. You can go back to your home. You're just not allowed to go to the other place, okay? If you do not make the bond, then you will be held in custody until your hearing. The next judge at the next hearing can change all of these orders, okay? This is on your paperwork. Go ahead and have a seat.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Joseph Thornton, please come to the podium, and then James Stevens, have a seat by the door.
Hello.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Joseph Thornton, 9676.
Thank you. You're here today on a new Superior Court case. It was alleged that you discharged a firearm within the city limits, which is a Class 6 felony. Also endangerment, which is a misdemeanor. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix, August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. This court did affirm the county's recommendation of a secured bond of $25,000. That means you can use a bail bondsman. If you make that bond, you're not to have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. You may return to your own residence, but you may not approach the victim's or the alleged victim's business or linger and loiter in that area. All of these are on your document. If you're not able to make the bond, you will be kept in custody until your hearing date, and the next judge can change all of these orders. Okay, please have a seat. All right. James Stevens, please come to the podium. Joanna Reyes, have a seat by the door.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please say your name and date of birth.
James Stevens, 12/3/68.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're here today on a new municipal court case. It was alleged that you caused criminal damage and were committing disorderly conduct. These are both misdemeanors. An attorney has been appointed for you because this may be a domestic violence situation, and so you are entitled to an attorney. Your next hearing would be at the Goodyear Municipal Court, August 27th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a cash-only appearance bond set for you today at $5,000. If you are able to make that bond, then you will be able to be released, but there are no contact orders in place. One of the orders, though, because I understand this is your residence, is that you may not reside there, but you can go back one time with a law enforcement escort to retrieve essential belongings. If you are not able to make that bond, then you will be held in custody until the next hearing, that's August 27th, and the judge can change the orders at that time. This is all on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
For punching my own wall?
Joanna Reyes, please come to the podium. Haley Benson, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Joanna Reyes, June 24th, 1978.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're here today on a new case. It was alleged that you were driving under the influence and it was aggravated, so that is a Class 4 felony. Also that you had another DUI or driving under the influence charge, which is a misdemeanor. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. You do have a secured appearance bond, so you can use a bail bondsman. It is set at $5,000. If you are able to make that bond, you will be released to pretrial services, and they will do random illegal drug and alcohol testing for you. That gives you a chance to prove your sobriety to the next judge. If you are not able to make that bond, you will be held in custody until the hearing. The judge at the next hearing can change all of these orders.
And what date is the hearing?
Say it, go ahead.
The date of the hearing?
It is August 28th at 8:30 in the morning, and your attorney's information will also be on your paperwork, so you will be able to call them if you'd like ahead of time. Okay, This is on your paperwork. Please have a seat. Haley Benson, please come to the podium, and then Peyton Youngman, have a seat by the door.
Haley Vinson, 42698.
Thank you. You're here today on an out-of-county warrant, and I do see that you are wearing all orange. Are you in custody for another matter as well?
I was supposed to be released yesterday.
Oh, okay. And then they found this out-of-county warrant, and then, okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just making sure. Okay, so you are here because Pinal County wants you back. They will appoint an attorney for you in Pinal County. I can't do that because I'm not part of their county, but that is part of the order. Your hearing will be at the Pinal County Superior Court August 27th at 8:30 in the morning. They did request a secured appearance bond of $3,500, and we do affirm that bond. If you cannot make that bond, you will be transported back to Pinal County to go to that hearing. If you do make that bond, please go to the hearing so they do not issue another warrant for you. Okay. All of this is on your paperwork. Please have a seat. Peyton Youngman, please come to the podium. Christopher King, have a seat by the door.
Good morning, Your Honor, or afternoon.
Please say your name and date of birth.
It's Peyton Youngman, 10/4/1994.
Thank you. You are here today for a failing to appear at your sentencing warrant. So they had a sentencing for you in April of 2025.
Yes.
And you already have an attorney appointed in that case. Your next hearing will be August 29th at 8:30 in the morning.
August 20th, okay.
You do have a cash-only appearance bond set at $2,500. If you're able to make that bond, you need to go to your sentencing hearing or they will issue another warrant for more next time.
Yeah.
Okay. All the information is on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Christopher Sean King, please come to the podium. Denise Wheeler, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Christopher Sean King, July 15th, 1986, Your Honor.
Thank you. It appears you already know why you are here. It
Yes,
is a family
ma'am.
court warrant. Yep, I understand.
I don't know
So
the
this
amount.
is-
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is a cash-only bond, $1,250. There is a hearing set for you too, though, and it's August 28th at 10 a.m. So if you're not able to make that purge bond, you will be transported to your hearing. And that is downtown Phoenix on Jefferson Street. Okay, the information's on your paperwork.
Thank you, Judge.
Please have a seat. Thank you. Denise Wheeler, please come to the podium. Alfredo Paredes, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Denise Wheeler, 4168.
Thank you. You're here today because you failed to appear at your sentencing. You already signed your plea agreement in November of 2024, but then you did not go to your sentencing, and so they issued a warrant for your arrest. So you have an attorney in this case, and your next hearing will be September 2nd at 8:30 in the morning. There is a $1,000 cash-only appearance bond set for you. If you can make that bond, make sure you go to that hearing or the bond will just keep increasing. If you cannot make the bond, you will be held in custody and transported to that hearing, and then they will complete the sentencing. Okay, all of this is on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Alfredo Paredes, please come to the podium. Joseph Acedo, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Alfredo Luna Paredes, 7/14/1992.
Thank you. You're here today for a probation violation warrant. It was alleged you violated terms 3, 5, and 15 of your probation. An attorney is appointed to assist you at your probation revocation hearing. That will be downtown Phoenix on August 29th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $500. If you can make that bond, make sure to call your probation officer within 72 hours and go to your hearing. If you cannot make that bond, you will be transported to the hearing. You'll be in custody. Okay, this information's on your paperwork. Please have a seat. Joseph Acedo, please come to the podium. Jonathan Jackson, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Joseph Acedo, 10/14/82.
Thank you. You're here on a new case. There's allegations of dangerous drug possession, which is a Class 4 felony, narcotic drug possession, which is a Class 4 felony, unlawful flight from law enforcement, that's a Class 5 felony, and then drug paraphernalia, which is a Class 6 felony. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney for you. Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix, August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $500. If you make that bond, you'll be released under pretrial supervision. If you do not make that bond, you will be held in custody until the hearing, and the next judge can change those orders. Okay, please have a seat. Thank you. Jonathan Jackson, please come to the podium. Derek Amelina, please have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Jonathan Marquez Jackson, October 25th, 1993.
Thank you. You're here today because you failed to appear to your probation revocation arraignment. So that was on July 23rd. A new attorney has been appointed to help you. Your next hearing will be August 29th at 8:30 in the morning, and there is now a secured appearance bond set for you at $100. If you can make that bond, please go to your hearing and also call your probation officer within 72 hours. If you cannot make that bond, you will be held in custody until that hearing, but the next judge can change these orders. Okay, please have a seat. Mr. Derek, would you please come to the podium? And then Havona Walker, please have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Derek Milliner Jr., 9683.
Thank you, and I apologize for mispronouncing your name. You're here on a new Superior Court case. It was alleged you had dangerous drugs in your possession, which is a Class 4 felony, and then drug paraphernalia is a Class 6 felony. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is August 28th at 8:30 in the morning, downtown Phoenix. There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $50. If you are able to make that bond, you will be released under pretrial supervision. They can do things for you like send you reminders about the hearing, give you a bus pass if you need it. Please go to your hearing if you make that bond. If you are not able to make that bond, you will be held in custody until the hearing, and the next judge can change all of these orders. This information is on your paperwork. Please have a seat. Havona Walker, please come to the podium. And then after that will be Holly Fain. Please say your name and date of birth.
Giovanna Walker, 1897.
Thank you, and I apologize that I mispronounced your name. You're here today on a new case. It was alleged that you diverted utility services, which is a Class 6 felony. So I did find probable cause and appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. I went back and looked at your other case that you had not too long ago because you were out on felony release. Usually by statute, since you're out on felony release, if a new felony is alleged, you would not be eligible for bond. However, when I went and looked at that case, I saw that the state had suspended prosecution on July 10th and that you had orders to follow up with SAGE. Is that correct? Okay, that's your understanding as well.
Yeah, my phone got broken, so.
Okay, so this court would like to release you under pretrial supervision with a secured appearance bond of $50. If you're able to make that $50, take advantage of pretrial services. They can provide you things like hearing reminders and bus passes. You do have a new attorney appointed to help you as well. Take advantage of that. Call them, ask them questions about your case. Make sure you go to your hearing so they don't issue a warrant. I saw that you went to all your other hearings and did everything they asked you to do last time, so just keep up the good work, okay? If you can follow those steps, you should be able to stay out of the system. Okay, don't go back to the scene of the alleged crime, right? Because they don't want you to use that outlet.
Yeah.
All right. Everything else is listed on your paperwork. Please do read through it and make sure you comply with the court's orders. Okay, please have a seat. Holly Fain, please come to the podium. Susan Self, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Holly M. Fain, 7/26/1970.
Thank you. You're here on a new municipal court case. It was alleged that you committed assault and disorderly conduct, which are both misdemeanors. So an attorney has been appointed to assist you because this may be a domestic violence situation. Your next hearing is at the Surprise Municipal Court on September 16th at 1:30 in the afternoon. This court is going to release you on your promise to go to that next hearing. I've also included their phone number for you because it is the Surprise Municipal Court. So call ahead and make sure you're prepared for that hearing to get this resolved. Find out what they want you to bring, when you should arrive and park, just all those types of details so that you can get this matter resolved. You are also ordered not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. If an order of protection or order of harassment is issued against you, you must follow those orders. All of this may be changed by the next judge at your next hearing.
Okay.
Okay, please have a seat. Susan Self, please come to the podium, and then we will take one short break. Would you like me to do the Spanish after that, or before? Thank you. Please say your name and date of birth.
Susan Self, 1866.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant. You were driving on a suspended or revoked or canceled license. It is a misdemeanor. This court is not able to appoint counsel for you because of the nature of the charge, but you have a hearing coming up at North Mesa Justice Court, September 11th at 1 p.m. This court is going to release you on your promise to go to that hearing and get this taken care of. I've also included their phone number for you. Right now they're asking for bond, but I'm not going to impose it. I think you can call them and get this sorted out. Okay, please have a seat. Okay. At this time, Frank Gonzalez, please come to the podium. And then after that will be Michael Hollaby-Riggins. Please say your name and date of birth.
Frank Gonzalez, date of birth, May 26, 1967.
Thank you. You're here today on two matters. The first one is a Superior Court arrest warrant. So what happened is you got arrested a while ago, but they didn't file charges, and now they have. This is from August 13th, 2024, for the possession or use of dangerous drugs, which is a Class 4 felony. An attorney has been appointed to assist you in this new case. Your hearing will be September 8th at 8:30 in the morning downtown Phoenix. You do have release conditions that include contacting, do you have a probation officer?
I do.
So make sure you call them within 72 hours of your release. Your second matter is the probation violation warrant. Anytime there's new alleged criminal activity, they consider it a violation of probation, so it's called a Term 1 violation. Again, you will be released. You will have a hearing, though, August 29th at 8:30 in the morning on that matter. So make sure you have two hearing dates.
Okay.
Keep both your papers. One's your probation revocation hearing. That's in August. Your other one is for that direct complaint. That's in September. You do have attorneys appointed for both.
Okay.
And of course, on both, you need to call your probation officer.
I will.
Okay, keep your paperwork and go ahead and have a seat.
Am I going home?
In a few hours, yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Michael Hollaby-Riggins, please come to the podium. Alfredo Jimenez, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Michael Hullaby-Riggins, March 7, 04.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant, and the allegation is obstruction or refusing to give your true name. That's a misdemeanor. This court's not able to appoint counsel for you. You can hire your own lawyer or represent yourself. Your next hearing is at the Arrowhead Justice Court, September 9th at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so 2 in the afternoon. You are going to be released today on your promise to go to that hearing, but you do need to be prepared, so I've included their phone number for you. Call ahead and find out what you need to do so you can get this taken care of. If you don't go to your hearing, they will issue a warrant for your arrest, and you'll probably end up back here.
I got a question.
Okay.
Where is the warrant for? I already went to court for this.
Then make sure you give them a call and get it sorted out. Get something in writing from them that it's either dismissed or that you've paid it off, whatever it is. But right now, this warrant is still outstanding.
All right.
Okay, please have
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Alfredo, wait, is that right? Yeah, Alfredo Jimenez, please come to the podium. And then after that, we will see Kason Nelson. Okay, please say your name and date of birth.
Alfredo Jimenez, 9/25/94.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant. There's allegations of assault, which is a misdemeanor. It does not look like this was a domestic violence situation, so an attorney has not been appointed for you. Okay. But you do have a hearing coming up at North Mesa Justice Court on September 1st at September 11th at 1 p.m. You are going to be released today on your promise to go to that hearing, and I have included their phone number, so please call ahead and make sure you're prepared for whatever you need to bring with you and where to park, all those type of things.
Okay, and you said it was Mesa Justice Court, right?
North Mesa Justice Court.
Yeah, I was get those two confused. So.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat.
Thank you.
Kason Nelson, please come to the podium. Please say your name and date of birth.
Kason Nelson, February 20th, 2005.
Thank you. So you're here as a fugitive of justice. So you actually do have to say a few more things than just your name and date of birth.
Okay.
Did you get that laminated card before the hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and did you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So on your case, The state of California wants you back.
I'm trying to go back.
You have a choice to make at this time. You can choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing and be sent back to California within 30 days, or you can demand an extradition hearing and that a governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both states before you're sent back to California.
I waive it. I want to get sent back.
You waive it. Okay. I have to ask you some other questions. Did you read the paperwork?
I skimmed over it.
Do you understand that you do not have to sign the paperwork?
Yes.
Do you understand you have the right to an extradition hearing?
Yes.
Do you understand you have the right to hire a lawyer at your own expense?
Yes.
Do you understand you have the right to demand that the governor's warrant be signed by the governor of Arizona and California before you are returned?
Yes.
Do you understand you have the right to bail? And I believe you do. Yes, you do have the right to bail.
So I got a question. I've been sitting here for a very long time. If I bail out on that case, I'm not going anywhere, right? All right.
Okay. But you have the right to bail. It would be $100,000 cash. Okay, just so you know what it was.
Okay.
All right. Do you want to give up those rights and sign the paperwork?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to sign the paperwork?
No.
Okay. Have you had any drugs, alcohol, or medication within the last 24 hours?
No.
Okay. Then I find that you knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily are signing the waiver, and I will also sign it. I will direct the sheriff's office to notify California that you are ready to return. California will have 30 days from tomorrow to pick you up, unless there are local charges pending. If there are local charges pending, that 30 days begins at the end of the Arizona case.
Wait.
Yeah, I want to make sure you understand.
Wait, so the cases that I'm currently fighting so that's going to be on hold until all this is done?
That is correct.
Okay.
Do you still want to waive?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so you're waiving your right. Clear. Okay. Yes. Fine. All right, if you could please step over here, sir. Oh, wait, did I do the wrong thing? Did it work? Let me edit it again, because it did not show. You are choosing to waive. Clear. Fine. It keeps bouncing back to what I had before. So I push edit. I push clear. Yes, I want to clear everything.
Press save.
Oh, okay. Let me also get rid of that. Maybe that will help. Okay. Save. Okay, to choose. Save. Okay. I think it worked. I pushed save 3 times. Go ahead and sign. And then sign one more time, please. Okay, thank you for your patience.
Okay, one more question.
Okay,
Do you know what the charges are?
on that warrant? Okay,
Yes.
one moment, let me see. Thanks for your patience. Yes. Hold on. Where did it go? Okay, so it was robbery. And saw something else somewhere else. Looks like, yeah, it just says robbery, and then they wanted you to be held for $100,000 for the felony of robbery.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Williams Nicholas, please come to the podium. Please say your name and date of birth.
William Nicholas, 6198.
Thank you. So you are also here as a fugitive of justice, and just so you know, I'll bring it up ahead of time. You are wanted for a violation of probation, and you are wanted by the state of Connecticut. Yeah. Okay. So before court, you were given a laminated card with some paperwork to review. Did you read it?
Most of it, yes.
Okay. So Connecticut wants you back. You have a choice to make it this time. You can either choose to waive your right to the extradition hearing and you will be sent back to Connecticut within 30 days, or you can demand an extradition hearing and I will set the date for you, but you are not eligible for bond, so you would still not be released. After the extradition hearing, you might be released and they would have 90 days to let the governors of Connecticut and Arizona both sign a warrant. Would you like to waive your right?
What would the date be for?
It would be September 8th at 1:30 in the afternoon.
September 8th, so that's almost a week, huh?
It's longer than a week from now.
Okay. If I waive my right, how long would it be until they come and pick me up?
They would have 30 days from tomorrow, as long as you do not have any Arizona pending cases.
So no matter what I'm doing, I'm in...
You'll be staying here.
Okay.
But the difference is, if you waive your right to the extradition hearing and you don't have any Arizona cases, your 30 days starts tomorrow. If you if you want to have the extradition hearing, then after September 8th, they would have 90 days to get the governors of both states to sign the warrant to come and pick you up. Do you have more questions?
I'm just thinking.
Okay, take a moment.
This is all kind of a misunderstanding. I was in touch with Connecticut about this. I just never heard back, so it's kind of a shell shock.
So since you're not being released, if you'd like, I can say that you are not waiving your right, and then that hearing will get scheduled. You won't be released because you're not bondable since it's a probation violation.
Okay.
The thing that would happen, so that you understand, is after that extradition hearing, that you can hire an attorney to represent you. It's a civil matter, so I cannot appoint one.
Okay.
But after that hearing, then the states have 90 days to sign the governor's warrant. Connecticut and Arizona would both have to sign it in order to extradite you from Arizona.
Okay.
I don't know if you would then be released or not after that extradition hearing. It depends on what happens there.
Okay.
Usually for probation violations, you're not, but it depends if you hire an attorney. I don't know what would happen there. So since you're not sure, I'm going to say that you are not waiving your right.
Okay.
Okay. So that means a hearing is now set for you September 8th at 1:30 in the afternoon. Unfortunately, you are not eligible for bail because you are on a probation violation status. This information will be in your paperwork. You may hire an attorney to represent you at that hearing. I just can't appoint one because it is civil. Okay. Thank you. If you'd like to have a seat, they'll bring you paperwork in a minute. Yeah. Jalen Tartan, please come to the podium. Please say your name and date of birth.
Jalen Tartan, 12/21/1999.
Thank you. So you're here also as a fugitive of justice, and it looks like it's the state of Nevada. Were you given the paper on the laminated card to read before the hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So, did you read it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You have a choice to make at this time. You can either choose to waive your right to an extradition hearing, and then you'll be held in the Maricopa County jail for 30 days for Nevada to come and pick you up, or you can demand your extradition hearing, and I will set it for September 8th at 1:30 in the afternoon. However, because you are here under a violation of probation, you would not be eligible for bond. So you would stay in custody until your extradition hearing on September 8th. At that time, if they find that they need to issue a warrant, they would have 90 days for the state of Nevada and for the governor of Nevada and the governor of Arizona to both sign the warrant and extradite you. So do you want to waive your right and start the clock tomorrow for 30 days if you don't have any other Arizona pending charges? Otherwise, it starts after Arizona charges are resolved. Or do you want to have the hearing and then they have 90 days to sign a warrant to come and get you?
I'll waive it.
You're going to waive it?
Yes,
okay, so you'd like the 30 days to start tomorrow as long as there are no outstanding Arizona matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me put that down. Okay, I think it is signed. Okay, thank you very much. You can have a seat.
So, wait, you signing, right?
No, He's
waiting?
he said he's going to waive it,
Yes.
so he does have to sign.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I sent you the wrong direction, sir. I apologize. Yeah, so you've got to sign the paper because you waived the right. Okay. Yep.
Go ahead and check, please.
Okay. Interpreter.
Can you sign? Your Honor, can you make sure the signature is like a little bit longer just because if it's not, it doesn't change the... Okay, I'm going to send one more thing.
Did I not sign?
No, you did. I just, because you had the question, I want to complete it.
I've been dealing with this issue for a while, actually, for some years. I've already served my time for the crime in Nevada, but I served it out here.
Right.
Because they didn't send me back. And I've had multiple police encounters and everything, and this same thing popped up on their scanner and stuff, and they just said that it's not extradited.
Okay, let me double check that when I read it, it did say extraditable, and they confirmed it today too. Because we don't bring you in here unless they confirm it. So let me double check. It is confirmed, and they did say we will extradite, and Arizona is listed on their extradition list.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
And then I'll get that interpreter also. Do you want to do a hospital call first or the interpreter one first?
Let's do the hospital, if they're available.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're calling for emergency services for, Nicole Fleming. Yeah, give me 1 second, I'm gonna transfer you to the overhead and the supervision will operate. This one.
Hello, this is Commissioner Gentry.
Hi, Your Honor. This is Officer Yam. I'm in the room with Nicole Fleming in the ER.
Thank you. Is she able to speak?
Yes, she is. Go ahead and state your name and your birthday.
Nicole Fleming, December 24th, 1971.
Thank you. This is your initial appearance hearing. You are here virtually for an out-of-county warrant. It appears that Cochise County would like you back. There are allegations of aggravated driving under the influence, and you will have an attorney appointed for you at your next hearing. Your next hearing is at the Sierra Vista Justice Court on August 27th at 8:30 in the morning. This will all be on the paperwork that will be provided to you. In order to be released today, you would need to pay a secured appearance bond of $5,000. If you are not able to pay that bond, you will be retained in custody until the hearing date and transported to your hearing. So again, all of this information is on the paperwork, and this is your initial appearance. Thank you for your time, officer.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Luis Jerez Castrillan, por favor. Okay.
Wait a second.
Are you authorized to transfer for legal matters? I'm sorry? We're calling from Maricopa County Superior Court. Are you authorized to handle legal matters? Perfect. If you don't mind, just maybe one brief moment while I transfer you to the overhead, and then we'll have you introduce yourself to the commissioner.
This is Commissioner Gentry. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, this is Esteban, Jeopardy number 3884.
Thank you. If you would like to introduce yourself, the defendant is already in the courtroom.
Muchas gracias. Si por favor podría introducirse a sí mismo. El defendente está en la sala.
Okay. So, Can you swear or affirm that you will directly translate my words into Spanish and the defendant's words from Spanish into English exactly as we say them?
I swear.
Thank you. We'll begin. Please remember to pause so the interpreter can finish speaking before you answer any questions.
Por favor, recuerde tomar pausas para que el intérprete pueda terminar de interpretar antes de contestar cualquier pregunta.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Por favor, dígame su nombre y su fecha de nacimiento.
Luis Álvaro Jerez, 12-18-1983.
My name is Luis Álvaro Jerez. My date of birth is 12/18/1983.
You are here on a new Superior Court case.
Usted está aquí en un nuevo caso de la Corte Superior.
It was alleged that you caused criminal damage, which is a Class 3 felony.
Hay alegación de que usted causó daño criminal, lo cual es una felonía clase 3.
Also, that you took an identity of another, which is a Class 4 felony.
Además, que usted tomó la identidad de otra persona, lo cual es una felonía clase 4.
This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you.
Esta corte ha encontrado causa probable y ha asignado a un abogado para que lo asista.
Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on August 28th at 8:30 in the morning.
Su próxima audiencia será en el centro de la ciudad de Phoenix el día 28 de agosto a las 8:30 de la mañana.
There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $4,000.
Entonces, hay una fianza asegurada para usted de $4,000.
If you make that bond, you are not to return to the scene of the alleged incident or have any contact with the alleged victims, witnesses, or complainants.
Entonces, si usted paga esa fianza, usted no tiene que retornar para la escena del incidente alegado o no debe tener contacto con alguna víctima alegada, testigo o algún quejante.
All of this information is written on your paperwork.
Toda esta información está escrita en su papeleo.
If you cannot make the bond, you will be transported to your next hearing, and the judge may change the orders at that hearing.
Entonces, si usted no puede pagar esa fianza, usted será transportado a la próxima audiencia y el juez va a cambiar las órdenes en la audiencia.
Okay. Go ahead.
Thank you. Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Thank you, Mr. Esteban, for your translation services. That was our only person who needed to have a Spanish language translator.
It was my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you so much for calling Larry Bridge. Have a wonderful day.
Okay. I do need to pause briefly for a DUI warrant, and then we'll go back on the record for all of the house calls.
The interpreter has disconnected. To reconnect with your interpreter, press or say 1. To connect with a new interpreter, press or say 2. To select a different language, press or say 3. To connect with an operator, press or say 4. End this call now, press or say 5. Goodbye.
Okay. All right. We do have several house calls on this 5 p.m. calendar, so I will now read them into the record as it is. Number 7 is Mr. Joshua Anderson. He is not following orders. So his date of birth is 3/27/1990. It's a new Superior Court case. It was alleged he committed shoplifting, which is a Class 6 felony. He does have an attorney appointed. His next hearing is August 28th at 8:30 downtown Phoenix. He has a secured appearance bond of $500. If he makes that, he will be released under pretrial services, supervision, PSA supervision. He's not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. The next person is Imami Clement, date of birth 4/2/2000. She is not safe to be in the hearing room. She has a new Superior Court case with allegations of aggravated assault against a first responder, which is a Class 5 felony, resisting arrest, which is a Class 6 felony, and disorderly conduct, which is a misdemeanor. An attorney has been appointed for her next downtown Phoenix hearing on August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. She has a secured appearance bond set at $5,000. She would be released under supervision. Again, not to return to the scene of the alleged crime, have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. This one is a domestic violence case, and so there is a civil standby order included at the bottom of her paperwork. The next person is Jeffrey Shagrud, date of birth 4/3/1987, for a probation violation warrant. He is alleged to have violated terms 3, 4, and 5 of probation. An attorney has been appointed to assist him at his revocation arraignment hearing August 29th at 8:30 in the morning. A cash-only appearance bond is set at $1,250. He has the standard release terms, except he was on intensive probation, so he must call within 24 hours. And the last person is Anai Lopez, and she is also not safe to come to the hearing room. Her date of birth is 8/27/1993, and again, it's a probation violation warrant. For her, it was alleged that she violated terms 3, 5, 6, and 15. On hers, an attorney has been appointed. Her next hearing is August 29th at 8:30 in the morning. A secured appearance bond of $250 is set. I have also included in her release conditions that she does need to contact the mental health court for review. She missed that opportunity to review. That was one of her terms of probation, so I have restated it here on the release conditions. Of course, she would also need to call her probation officer within 72 hours of release. I've also included the case manager contact if she has one within 24 hours of release from custody. It is not my intention to return to this recording. If there are any changes reflected to the Anderson, Clement, Shergood, or Lopez orders, they will be on the written documents. At this time, the 5 p.m. calendar is in recess until 8.
Brianna? Okay, all right, thank you. Okay. Thank you. All right.
Please be seated. Please sit down. You can sit down if you want to, or you like standing?
Hold on.
Okay, all right. Okay. Good evening. This is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for August 23rd, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month will apply to all matters on this calendar. As you heard in the recording that was just played, this hearing is for a very specific purpose. I will tell you why you are here, if an attorney will be appointed to assist you, when and where your next hearing will be, and if you are eligible for release, what your release conditions are. I will not be reading every release condition for you. They are printed on your paperwork. It's important that you do review those. Also, please remember that these are criminal matters. You have the right to remain silent. And you will only need to answer what your name and date of birth is. These hearings are recorded as well as broadcast. I'll call you in one at a time. The first person I call, if you'll come stand in the middle of the room at the podium, and then the second person, if you'll have a seat by the door, there's a chair right there on the outside of the room. Mr. Paul Beemore, please come to the podium. Montel Landry, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Paul Beemore, December 8th, 1989.
Thank you. You're here today for a new case where it's alleged that you were driving under the influence and it's aggravated. This is a Class 4 felony. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $10,000. If you make that bond, you'll have pretrial supervision, which includes random testing for illegal drug and alcohol use. If you do not make that bond, then you will be held in custody until your hearing. The next judge can change all of these orders. All of this information is on your paperwork. Go ahead and have a seat. Montel Landry, please come to the podium. And then after that, Maria Lara, have a seat by the door.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening.
How are you?
Please say your name and date of birth.
Yes, ma'am. It's Montel Landry, January 11, 1993.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
You're here today on a probation violation warrant. It's alleged that you violated terms 4, 5, and 15 of your probation. An attorney has been appointed to assist you at your revocation hearing. Your revocation hearing will be downtown Phoenix on August 29th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond available to you at $500. If you make that bond, you will be released, and you need to call your probation officer within 24 hours because you were on intensive probation. If you're not able to make that bond, you will be held in custody until the next hearing. The judge at that point can change these orders. All of this information is on your paperwork. Please have a seat. Oh, excuse me. You have 3 matters. I apologize. So you had $250 on one of them, $900 on the other. and then you had, because you had 3 probation cases, $250 on the last. So, sir, your entire bond is $1,650 secured. That's for all 3 of your probation cases. Okay, it's all on your paperwork, and I apologize I had to call you back. Okay, please have a seat.
You think I won't be able to get out anytime soon?
Can say it louder, please?
You think I won't be able to get out anytime soon?
Your hearing is all on the August 29th date for all 3 of your cases. If you can't make the bond, you will be held in custody until then, and then that judge will most likely change these orders. They're the ones who set the bond. Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Maria Lara, please come to the podium. And then Michael Hagerman, have a seat by the door. Please say your name.
Maria Lisa Lara.
And your date of birth.
April 8th of 1980.
Thank you. You're here today because you did not attend a status conference, and that was just here in August. And it looks like you have an attorney in your case. Your next hearing will be August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $500. If you are able to make that bond, you will be released, but you need to go to that hearing. If you cannot make that bond, you will stay in custody, and then you'll be transported to the hearing.
Okay, so today I won't be released. I have to go to the hearing.
Right. So if you can pay your bond, which is $500 secured, you may be released. If you cannot, you will stay in custody.
All right.
Okay, please have a seat. Michael Hagerman, please come to the podium. Wendy Brown, have a seat by the door. Michael Hagerman.
You can't refuse, go inside.
I don't want to say shit to her. She can kiss my ass.
Please say your name and your date of birth. Okay, so just to explain how this works, this is the hearing where I'm able to tell the person why they're here, if they're going to have an attorney. Say it again, sir?
I said, I don't give a fuck.
Okay. Sir, you will not be
I can say anything I want. It's
released.
my constitutional right. First
You will-
Amendment.
Okay.
Okay, we're
Sir,
done. Go for it, Mr. Supervisor.
you will not be released until you go through your initial appearance. Do you have a fingerprint on file already, sir? It looks like, has he already been positively identified by his fingerprint?
Oh, gee, yeah, I have. Haven't got to kiss my ass.
No, he's not printed.
He's not printed. Okay. So we need to make sure we're talking to the correct person. And you can make this go more smoothly by identifying yourself and giving your date of birth.
No.
Okay. In that case, you may need to be removed and you may need to be identified through your fingerprints. Is that what you want? Okay. I will take your non-answer as you not wanting to participate in this hearing right now. So what will happen next is they will take your fingerprints to identify you, to make sure you are the right
I want
person.
to speak to you unless my attorney is present, so kiss my ass.
So you don't have the right to an attorney at this hearing unless...
I do have an attorney, is Mr. Martinez, and until he's present, I don't have to talk to you. Have a nice day.
Okay. He can be excused. Go ahead and have a seat. We'll put you on a different calendar.
I'll do the fingerprint, but if Mr. Martinez is not present, I don't have to talk to you. That's what my attorney told me. That's what I'm going by.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Okay. He said first yes, but then they said no, so I'm not sure. Because once he's fingerprinted, we don't need to have him say.
Yeah, that's what, so I can contact fingerprints, but
Yeah.
we need to make sure he's, do you know if he's been fingerprinted by any
He has
chance?
not.
He has not?
So he has not been paw printed or fingerprinted by,
ISIS? Yeah. Okay, so we'll have to do that if he's not willing to talk to us.
Okay. Does he have time still?
He does. He has 16 hours.
Is it number 4?
We'll go to the bottom, it's number 13.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's see in court.
Yeah, Michael Hagerman,
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
almost 17 hours.
Okay.
Do you want to talk to Commissioner Beck?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course.
Okay, thank you for your assistance. Wendy Brown, please come inside to the hearing room, and then after that will be Tasha Rivers. Please state your name and date of birth.
Wendy Brown, 3/12/1989.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court arrest warrant. It looks like a while ago you had been arrested. In fact, it was in December of 2024, and there were possession or use of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, assault, and then disorderly conduct, which are misdemeanors. They have now brought these charges and what's called a direct complaint. So an attorney has been appointed to assist you, and your next hearing will be August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $50. Are you here for another reason besides this?
No.
Okay, so if you are able to make that secured appearance bond, it's important that you go to this hearing so they don't issue another warrant for your arrest.
So I won't get out unless I make a bond?
One moment. Okay, it looks like you have a case manager, is that correct?
For what?
Do you have a case
The
manager?
Southwest Lower? Yes, I do.
Okay, so if you are released today, it's important that you check in with them within 24 hours.
Right. So I'm not going to be able to get out unless I make bond?
That's correct, and your bond is a secured appearance bond of $50. That means you may use a bail bondsman.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Please have a seat. Tasha Rivers, please come to the podium. Melissa Noble, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Tasha Rivers, 6/19/89.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're here today on a new municipal court case. There's allegations of disorderly conduct and adult assault, which are both misdemeanors. You will have an attorney appointed for you at your next hearing, and that's at Buckeye Municipal Court, and it will be on September 9th at 2 p.m. You're going to be released today on your promise to go to that next hearing. I have provided Buckeye Municipal Court's contact information, including their phone number for you, so you can call ahead and be prepared for your hearing.
Okay.
You are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. I do understand that's your residence.
Yeah.
So there is a court order included at the very bottom of your orders that says that you may contact the Buckeye Police and have them go with you one time to retrieve necessary personal items like medications, that type of thing, between now and your next court hearing, which isn't until September 9th.
Okay, what time is it that day?
2 p.m., and this will be on your paperwork. You don't have to remember it. It will all be written on your paperwork.
Okay, and then where can I go, because I don't have nowhere to live?
So unfortunately, I do not have that answer for you. There are resources in the detention center, though, that you can look into as you are being released today. But you can't go back unless you are escorted by law enforcement, and then that's only the one time.
Yeah, because I have my wallet over there.
Exactly.
Yeah, just...
Right. So, so one time you can go back with assistance of law enforcement.
Oh, will that be today? If I leave
That's
here?
up to you, ma'am.
Okay.
You will have to arrange that.
So there ain't no, like, bonds amount or anything, just that promise of going?
That's correct.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Please have a seat.
That guy's getting his fingerprints done now, it's gonna be in an ISO cell afterwards.
Okay.
Did you want to move to a different docker, or did you want to see it after court?
If we can positively identify him as the person that's on the calendar, I will come and see him.
Cool. I'll call our agent's department to push the verification.
I appreciate that, thank you. Did he already get moved, or he's still here? Looks like
I have him on.
Okay, good. Pause for just a moment. I'm going to pause for just a moment while he's on the phone. Okay. All right.
No, okay. Yeah, it's all good.
Thanks. Okay, I just forgot who we were with. There we go. Melissa Noble, please come into the hearing room, and then Dylan De La Vega Luchega, have a seat by the door.
Hi.
Please say your name and your date of birth.
Melissa Noble, April 9th, 1989.
Thank you. You're here today for a new case in regards to criminal trespass. That is a felony, class 5. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing will be September 8th at 8:30 in the morning. This court is going to release you on your promise to go to that hearing. Okay. I understand that you used to live in that apartment, but that you're not allowed to be there anymore. So
I didn't know I wasn't allowed to be there, but...
Right. Okay. So I did read through the report. So part of the court's orders is that you are not to go back there.
Okay.
Okay. Also, I believe you are currently on probation. Is that correct? So when you are released today, make sure you contact your probation officer and let them know what's going on.
Okay.
So you have 3 things that are really important for you. Number 1, go to the hearing on September 8th at 8:30. Number 2, call your probation officer, and then also don't go back there.
Okay.
All right, that's on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
Your Honor, they're pushing it through to take a couple minutes and then I'll back.
Perfect. Mr. Dylan De La Vega Luchega, please come to the podium.
Dylan De La Vega Lechuga, April 15, 2003.
Thank you, and I apologize for missaying your name.
You're okay.
All right, so you're here today on a municipal court case. There's allegations that you disobeyed or resisted a mandate of the court, which is a misdemeanor. Because it's a misdemeanor, this court cannot appoint an attorney for you, but you can hire one or you can represent yourself. Your next hearing is at Peoria Municipal Court on September 11th at 9 a.m., and this will be written on your paperwork.
And it'll say the address and everything?
It will have the address as well as the phone number, and I encourage you to call so that you can be prepared when you go there. Whether you need to bring certain documents, where to park, how early to go, call them ahead of time.
And it was, again, the date? I'm sorry.
September 11th, 9 a.m., and this is all on your paperwork.
Perfect. Sorry.
Please have a few patience while it takes a few hours to get released, okay? Please.
Oh, wait, a few hours?
It might take a few hours for you to be released, yes. So just have patience, sir.
I'm trying.
Have a seat. We do have 2, possibly 3 house calls. I'll go ahead and read the 2 into the record, and then I'll also include Mr. Hagerman's if he is identified. Okay, so the first one is Eric Zach, date of birth 2/5/1987, here on a bench warrant because, let's see, he failed to appear for sentencing. So he has already been convicted or entered a plea, and he is not eligible for release. He already has an attorney in his case, and his next hearing is August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. The next person is Francisco Galinda Tapia. It's a justice court case, criminal trespassing, which is a misdemeanor. He's not entitled to counsel because of that. The next hearing is West McDowell Justice Court, September 9th at 1:30 in the afternoon. He is going to be released on his own recognizance if he is able to, but it is reported that he's being combative. So once he is safe to be released, he will be released on his promise to go to West McDowell Justice Court. He does have no contact orders not to return to GCO-controlled property at all. And then the last person, if he is positively identified, will be Michael Robert Hagerman, date of birth, 12/3/1975, also a justice court warrant, failing to obey a police officer, and criminal trespassing, both misdemeanors. He does have an attorney appointed, though, because this was a possible assault. And so his next hearing is North Valley Justice Court, August 27th at 8:30 in the morning. Because this was his second time failing to appear, a bond is set at $500. He does have no contact orders included in his release conditions. These are all of the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar. If there are any changes, they'll be reflected in the written document. If there are, it is not my intention to return to this recording, and so the 8 p.m. calendar is now in recess until 11 p.m.
All right. 2 feet, gentlemen. 2 feet.
Thank you. Please be seated. This is the 11 p.m. calendar on August 23rd, 2025. Orders are given on the first of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders remain in effect today. What that means for you in courtroom is this: not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders will be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you will be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your counsel. Second, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel. I can't answer legal questions for you, so please save those types of questions for your attorney. Finally, you're going to be hearing about lots of different dates, different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep your paperwork and save it. Don't lose it. If you end up missing a court date or don't follow a written court order, you could just end up back here. Here's how tonight's going to work. I'm going to call 2 names. The first name I call is going to come in the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit in that chair next to the door. Then we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar is finished. Could I please get Joni Rivas to the podium? Julie Contino to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Tony Rivas, 10/12/82.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original assigned attorney.
Okay.
Your next court date's August 28th and September 2nd in the downtown Superior Court. I am setting a cash bond based upon the age of your warrant. It's a $15,000 cash bond. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision with electronic ankle monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Want to please step to the left for your paperwork.
Yeah.
Julie Contino to the podium. Carrie Shepard to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Julie Contino, 22370.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court family warrant. Your next court date is August 26th in the downtown Superior Court Family Court Division. Ma'am, are you familiar with these types of warrants?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, ma'am. So I'm going to be affirming the purge amount for your case. It's a $15,000 purge. So you're going to remain in custody until that purge is paid off. So your next court date, again, August 26th. So that's in about a week. That's in 3 days.
Okay, and then I come back and see you again?
No, you won't see me. You're going to see the family court judge.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Please step to the left for your paperwork.
Thank you.
Carrie Shepard to the podium. Matt Matthews to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Carrie Shepard, 10983.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court new case. You've been arrested for 4 counts of disobeying an order of a court, Class 1 misdemeanor, 1 count of criminal trespass, Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be August 26th. That's at the Peoria City Court. This time setting a cash bond of $5,000. If you're able to bond out, you are not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any of the victims or witnesses whatsoever. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You must obey the order of protection that's been put out against you. Again, I'm going to say this, you're to have no contact with the victims and witnesses whatsoever through any types of means, electronically, in person, or through third parties. This order shall not override any pre-existing Superior Court family court orders. You're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a Class 6 felony. Please step to your left for your paperwork, ma'am. Matt Matthews to the podium. Brandon Stevens to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Matt Matthews, 32478.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 failure to appear warrants. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date is August 29th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bonds set by your original judge. It's $1,000 cash bonds on each one, so total $2,000 cash. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. Brandon Stevens to the podium. Matthew Galloway to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Brandon Stevens, 121075.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for aggravated assault, a Class 6 felony. Assault is a Class 1 misdemeanor. Criminal damage, Class 1 misdemeanor. Disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are August 28th and September 2nd at the downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $2,000. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision. You'll be alcohol tested and monitored. You're going to have an electronic ankle monitor. Furthermore, if you bond out, you can't go back to the scene of the crime. Do you have someplace else to go, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Cannot go back to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. No contact with any minors. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If there's any orders of protection that are put out against you, you have to follow those orders. Finally, you cannot live with the alleged victims, even if you're the owner or renter of the property. You're allowed one local law enforcement to return to collect any essential belongings. You're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a Class 6 felony. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Matthew Galloway to the podium. Marquise Johnson to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Matthew Galloway, 6/16/2000.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court new case. You've been arrested for disorderly conduct, Class 1 misdemeanor, prevention or interference with use of a telephone in an emergency, Class 2 misdemeanor, assault, the Class 3 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is August 26th. That's at the Peoria City Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $500. If you're able to bond out, you are not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If there's any orders of protection that are put out against you, you have to follow those orders. Finally, I'm not sure whether this applies to you or not, but you cannot live with the alleged victim, even if you're the owner or renter of the property. You're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a Class 6 felony. Do you live with the victim in this case?
I do.
All right, do you have someplace else to go?
I do not, so I'm not allowed to return there at all?
You cannot go back there until another judge says you can go back there.
Okay.
So you have to go stay at a friend's house or something, but you can't go back home. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Marquise Johnson to the podium. Aaron Charlie to the chair, please.
You gotta put your arms through your shirt. Come down with this way. Sorry. You've been vomiting, sir. Try to put your arms through your shirt for the judge. Go ahead, man. Do it. Just do it. Let's get this done.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right, sir. Sir, are you able to put your clothes on properly?
Yeah, I'm very sick.
Yeah, no, I understand. All right, actually, sir, I can see your arms there, all right?
Thank you.
All right, name and date of birth, please.
12/02/98.
Name, please.
Marquise Johnson.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is August 29th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge, $250 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days. All right, sir. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Aaron Charlie to the podium, please. Name and date of birth, please.
My name's Aaron Leon Charlie, February 25th, 1984.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant. I'm not assigning you an attorney because for the types of charges that you're facing, you don't get a free attorney. You can hire your own attorney if you want one. Do you understand that?
What am I being charged with?
You're not being charged with anything. You're here. You've already been charged, and this is for a case you already had before, consuming liquor in public. All right, sir. So you can hire your own attorney if you would like one. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I do.
All right. Your next court date is September 9th. That's at the University Lakes Justice Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. Sir, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, and you can't have any alcohol. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to follow these conditions?
Yes, I do.
And do you promise to appear on September 9th at the University Lakes Justice Court?
Where's that at?
That's in Tempe.
Okay, yeah.
All right. And sir, do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, I understand.
All right. You also understand that this is probably the last time someone's going to cut you a break and let you out because of this warrant that you have. If you show up here again and you don't show up, someone's setting a bond. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
All right. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you on your own cognizance. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. Okay. I'll be visiting one individual back at their cell. They pose a risk of harm to themselves or to others. Ty Leap, 12/14/87, here on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Next court date is August 29th in the downtown Superior Court, affirming his $250 secured appearance bond. If he's able to bond out, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, must contact his PO within 3 days. After visiting with him back at his cell, if I'm to make any changes to these release conditions, I'll come back on the record to make those changes. This concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.